Christmas.
What do you have there?
A birdie.
A live one?
Uh-huh.
Where did you get it?
From outside.
From outside?
Mm-hmm.
Can we take it back outside, please?
I'm gonna hold it outside.
No, we need to put it back down so its mommy can have it back. Okay?
Mom, but it doesn't have a mommy.
Honey, you can't keep a birdie. We have to take it back where you found it, please.
Okay, Mom.
Show me where you found it.
Mom, come on. Mama, she wasn't with us. Okay.
Where did you find the birdie?
Mom, come on, and I will show you.
Don't squeeze it. You will hurt it. No, honey, it's alive. Where did you find it? Set him down, please. Okay, come on. Let's leave the birdie alone so it can go back to its... Leave him alone so its mommy can come get him. Say bye, birdie.
Mom, it's she.
Oh, it's a she?
Uh-huh.
Sorry.
That's okay, Mom. Hi, Buddy Wuggy.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Don't touch your face until you go wash your hands.
Mama,
What?
I'm gonna wait until its mommy comes.